Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have an Oops-a-Daisy unboxing and I am so excited to show you this. Have a look at this. Oh, this is going to be amazing. I can't wait to show you what this is. So I've got two things here. This is like a storage holder so you can keep all your bits inside, and this is a bundle that I ordered. So let's start with the bundle before we get to the really big bag. I've had to really zoom out to try and get all of this in shot. So this part may seem a little bit far away, but it will make sense in a minute when you see what else I've got to show you. Okay, so this was a bundle and I believe this was £14. You got a notebook, you got a mini stencil, and there was loads to choose from. Again, loads of notebooks to choose from. You got a pencil, and then you got these two cards, and I think one, there we go, one is a self-care challenge card and the other one is like a normal postcard. And then if you've been watching on my channel, you know how much I like using this washi tape. You got the dated washi, so this is all the way from 1 to 31, and then you can use it as a date strip. I use it for time, so I use this as a time strip instead. I do occasionally use it as dates, but 9 times out of 10 I'm using this as time blocking. So the reason I bought this, because obviously I use a bullet journal, I thought this would be really good if I needed to write something down or design something. Oh wow, look at that. That really goes nicely with the Barbie theme. So it says she's everything. They have a sticker, like a big sticker, exact same size as this, that matches this. And there's also a He's Just Ken as well, which I have, which is in my weekly spread for this week, so I'll share that online soon so you can see that. And then it's got a pocket here so you can put little bits inside. You could use this as a bullet journal. You could very easily use this as a bullet journal. If you liked rings over it being all bound, you could use this as your bullet journal. But yeah, my purpose of buying this is, say for example, I've done a really nice picture and I want some writing to go on top of it, but I want it to have a nice white background to it. I can write it on here, I can then cut it out and stick it on top. So I will be using this as like spare pages. If I need to add a page in, I can cut that out, washi tape it in, just curve the edges, and then I'll be able to use that in my bullet journal. So yeah, that was the main purpose of getting this. I really like it, and actually it would be really nice to use as a bullet journal. So yeah, there was that. And then this, the stencil. So it is a mini stencil. It's the same size as my hands. And it's got the alphabet on. I really like this one. There was loads to choose from. Lots of different like functional ones where you can make boxes. And there were some other font ones as well. So there's loads to choose from. And then the other little bits. Also got this little badge. There is like a rainbow reward system on her website. If you spend so much, you earn these little pin badges and you get some discount as well. So I got this one this time. So yeah, that was a little order that I done. I'll place that to one side. And now this. So when I saw this, so they had bags like this before, and it was a grey bag and it was smaller. And I remember seeing it come online. I wasn't too familiar with Oops-a-Daisy at the time, and I saw a couple of other people sharing about it. And I really liked it, but I just didn't get it. Don't know why I didn't get it. And then regretted it ever since because it looked amazing. So when I saw Joe share about this bag, I knew that I wanted to get it. It was £75. That gave you free shipping. Can I get it all in? Just about can make it all fit. And this basically is space for everything that you need to journal with. So you can see how big it is. It's quite large. Let me get if I get one of my bigger journals, sorry, this may make the camera wobble. If this is one of the, I always forget the size, the bigger size journal, you can see how big it is in comparison. Okay. So, I don't even know where to start. Sides at the top? I don't know. Let's start in the main section. So inside, if I angle it like that. I'm trying to make sure that you guys can see it as well. I'm just getting too excited and forgetting I'm actually filming this. Okay, so it comes with 2 of these bags, these little bags, and they have little handles on as well. So my plan is to have one of these bags filled with like my sticker bits and bobs, and then the other one will have anything that I need for that month. So this month is my Barbie theme. I need a lot of pink and purple pens, so I can go to my shelves next to me, take all the pink and purple pens that I need, keep it in here, keep all the sticker kits that match, keep all the washi tape that match in one of these. So one of these will be pre-built with all the stuff that I have anyway with me. The other one will be just related to something for that month. So you get 2 of these, that comes included. That's not an additional extra, that comes included. You get a strap, so if you didn't want to hold it, you can have it as a strap and you can have it around your side. And then you get a shelf. So this is the shelf, and you can either have it as a big open space, or you can stick it in, which I will. There we go, like that. Okay, so you can see you've got a little shelf space up there. This is where I'll keep my journals that I use. So any of like my A5 journals will go in there. Any of the bigger B5, haha, I remembered it, B5. Any of the B5 can fit into this back pocket. So there's a back pocket here that you can fit a B5 in. And I will show you with one of my B5s. That slots in quite nicely at the back. So yeah, that's the main inner section. Also, you have this pulls down. This is perfect for any of the Upsadaisy large sticker sheets. So the journaling sheets that she does, they're A4, they can fit in there perfectly. So that's really nice. So that's one part of the bag, but that's not all. There's more. There's more parts to this. It's so worth the money. Like, I must carry around with me, especially when I go to planner events, I must carry around about 3-4 bags. And it's ridiculous. I look a mess. It's too much stuff, but it's because you have different stuff in different places. So now I can have it all in one place. We've got the planner picnic event coming up at the end of September, and I will be taking this, and I can't wait. I can't wait just to show it off to everyone. Okay, so in this side, you've got space for your pens. So you've got pen loops. You've got a little pocket at the bottom. So they can sit inside there, or you can put other bits in there. And again, you have another one of these pockets. Honestly, this bag, every single opportunity that there is to have another pocket or have another space, it's there. Let's look at the other side. I can't remember if this is the same or if this side is a bit different. No, exactly the same. So I could have all of my favourite pens in here, so then they're easily accessible. And then the extra pocket, which, I mean, you could put small sticker sheets in, or if you had a sticker album, one of the small Simply Gilded ones, you could keep that inside there. And that is still not all. There is another pocket space at the front in there that you can put your sticker sheets or your journal, anything you want. Let's see if look, that even fits. How good is that? A B5 journal fits inside that pocket as well. So yeah, that's mainly what I wanted to come on and show you today. I was so excited for this. It was meant to come yesterday. Connor was not in, and I was very, very cross. But it came today whilst I was out at work face painting. I came back and I got to see this, and this has just made my day. So tonight I will be filling this up. I need to have a little look at my organisation stuff that I've got going on over here and see how I can change that and implement it into this. So all of my stuff is in one place. And I'll probably make a reel of that and show you how I build this. I probably won't make a YouTube video because I'll be here forever. I also have all of my September bullet journal setup filmed. I just haven't edited it yet. I will upload it. It might be a little bit late. But you'll see that eventually. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you today. This amazing, oh actually I should put these inside so you can see what I mean about how they fit in there. Obviously where it's been traveling, where it's been on its way to me, it's a little bit squashed, these bags, but you know, they will puff back out fine. So yeah, they fit in there. That goes down, zip it up. So yeah, like I say, this was £75. I do have a discount code with Oops-a-Daisy. If you are a first time buyer, you can have a discount code to use on the shop, which I'll have linked in the description, so you can go and check it out. And an affiliate link, so if you do shop, I earn some commission from that, so thank you very much for supporting me. So yeah, we have this bag, and then the other little goodies that I got today. Oh, I love opening Oops-a-Daisy parcels, probably one of my favourites. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna go have some fun. I'm gonna go set this bad boy up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye everyone.